What is going on, everyone? Welcome to an outdoors fishing video. Today we're back at the dam and the river is providing lots of action. This is a 2-day sequence. The first day we were getting a ton of hits, but we weren't really catching too much. Krista caught a couple. The second day, today, was full of surprises. So I hope you enjoy this video. All right, let's do it. Hey, that's a Krista. You got a sauger. He won't hurt you. Here, Aaron. Have you seen a sauger before?
He goes, here, hold it, quick.
Look at this guy. Look how beautiful their pattern is.
Oh, yeah. I don't really notice that in the in pictures.
It's so cool.
That is cool. It's like camo.
Yeah. Here.
It's not gonna hurt me?
No, it's not gonna hurt you. Just hold it like me. Hold it like me. One hand there, one hand there. Yeah, really. It's a nice fish. That island is a nice place to catch muskie. I caught a pike out there, and we caught a muskie at the other side of it. Hey, Krista, you flung your shiner all the way to Connecticut. He's active, wow. Whoa. Oh, that's me. Holy smokes. He's off. Shoot, that was a walleye. He spit it out. It's probably the same fish on all of our rods this whole time. That one walleye. Turns out it's probably that soft shell turtle.
I'm stopping.
Don't tell her what to do. She's the only one to catch fish.
Go for it. You have it?
No, there's not.
You sure? No, Krista, you have a fish.
No, it's nothing. It didn't feel like anything.
It's just a snag. And there was a fish.
Oh, I'm stuck. The fish
Here,
got stuck.
give it to me, give it to me. He gone. Oh, I got him! And it came off. I just casted. Just regular split shot. I got him. Oh, he's on. Is that a smallmouth? Oh my gosh, look how small he is. Right in the shade. Oh, first of the day. Thomas, let's go. Let's go. Are you serious? That's a bass? Yeah, look. Yeah. Come on, guy. You don't even need the net. That's a nice pattern, though. Very nice smallmouth bass. Let's go. And it's not even moving. Oh, I got him, Thomas. It's a nice one. I'm not sure. Yeah, I had no idea. Oh my gosh, it's a snapping turtle. It's a snapping turtle. Ooh, yeah, so now I know it's been messing with us this whole entire time out here.
Not very deep.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Aaron, if you're watching this video, this is the guy that was messing with us yesterday. I thought it was gore out there. We thought it was also soft shell turtles. It's a snapping turtle. So let's release him back into the water before he bites my hand off. All right, big guy. Go home. He's going. Is that another turtle? Oh my gosh, it's a painted turtle. No, he's a hard shell. But yeah, he is a bit one of those big painted turtles. He's got the yellow markings on his face. He was, didn't even get a hit. He was just sitting with it in his mouth. Look how beautiful those marks are though. Come on, big guy. Okay, well, I won't force you. But I will get a nice cinematic shot with you. Ooh, he's a good fighter. Ooh, is that a sauger? Hey, that's a nice one. That might be a saug eye. Let's see your fin, big guy. No, it's a sauger.
That's a good one.
Wow. Perfect pattern.
That's probably my PB sauger. I've never caught one this big.
Yeah, that is a very, very nice sauger. Oh, what a fun day. Caught a couple turtles. Caught a bass. 2 bass and a sauger. Just a great time. Reddi Bait shiners, go grab them. They worked every time we've gotten them. And that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. We were not expecting to catch turtles today. Nice sauger, couple bass, very nice fishing video. If you like this video, like it, comment what you think, and subscribe for more videos. Remember to pray before everything you do, and praise God. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.